Okay, right now I'm at the National Historic Museum in Arusha, Tanzania, Africa. I have a tourist guide. His name is Kristen. He's going to tell me more information about this museum. You start, go ahead.
Thank you so much. This is a map of Africa
Uh-huh.
showing the different things was excavated in Ngorongoro and other places in Africa. First one, we have Lucy or Australopithecus afarensis or Parasaurolophus moisae. We have the evidence in Tanzania through mandible and the footprint from Laitore in Ngorongoro. But also, the whole skeleton was discovered in Ethiopia in Addis Ababa in 1974 by Johansson, the archaeologist from Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. Another one, we call it Parasaurolophus moisae, very famous skull. So that's why we call it, sometimes it's the head of mankind in Tanzania and Ngorongoro, because we have discovered Homo habilis, Intertropus, Homo erectus, and Homo sapiens. Yes. Another thing we call it Homo habilis, tool maker. They use some stone tools like a hammer stone for chopping, and Acheulean hand axes, and old one stone tools for killing animals, skinning, and everything because of the stone tools from the Homo habilis.
Thank you. You can record closer. That way people know. You can walk around and record closer. That way people know. I'm very fascinated with human evolution. I'm crazy about it. Seriously, I really, really enjoy it because when I was in high school, I loved the human evolution, and I learned that I believed that they said the first modern biological human being walked on land from Africa 4,000 years ago. Is that right? Can you tell me, is that true or not?
It's true.
It's true?
Yeah. 3.6 million years ago. So 3.6 million years ago.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
All right. Well, thank you for all the information. I love all this. So each skull represents where these ancestors come from, where they found them.
Here, the first skull we have found in Ngorongoro.
Okay.
This one. We call it Zinjathropus or Parasaurolophus moisae.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Well,
but for now we are here.
We are here. Yes. So this is the first star.
First.
And then where the second one?
The second one, Homo habilis.
And it go around like this?
Yes.
So we are right here.
Yes.
This is the modern human being right now.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go and check and see. This is the first couple that walk on land. They found this cover. Where did they discover this one?
So here was discovered in Laitore in Ngorongoro Conservation Area Authority. And also we have the mandible through roots, as I told you before. But this one, 3.6 million years ago, old footprint at Laitore is a powerful evidence. So from this picture is the origin.
Can you zoom in closer?
Yeah.
No, go in when you record, like go in, that way you show people, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Yes.
So this one is origin from the picture, but here is not origin.
Oh, this is the first step right here.
Steps for right here, but not origin. It's just a copy.
Oh, just a copy.
Yeah.
This is the first step. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I love this picture right here. It's really, really fascinating, and I'm glad that I, come to this museum, discover the real history of human evolution. And I just want to say thank you for all the information, and I really praise so much, Kristen, and I'm glad that I met you today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I guess what about this one? Can you tell us more about this?
Okay, also this is map of Africa. Map of Africa also showing the different areas as already excavation was taking place. Like this one, this is old by Gorge in Ngorongoro. Also we have discovered this kind of stone tools, we call it old one stone tools from Ngorongoro in old by Gorge. Another thing here also in old by Gorge was discovered this kind of skulls. Sometimes we call it nutcracker. Why nutcracker? As I told you, because they're eating the huge or the strong materials, we call it nuts every day. So that's why the skull became a strong muscles. With this one. Also, we have this one in Ethiopia, Lake Turkana, and Kenya. In Ethiopia also was discovered this one, okay, in Kenya. And this one is Hagar, the skeleton from Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis, in Addis Ababa, in Ethiopia, was discovered this one.
Okay, that's then my question for you. You're going to answer this question because, I travel everywhere.
Yeah.
And I tell everyone that our ancestors
Yes.
start in Africa,
Yeah.
but they don't believe me. So how can you convince people and tell them and let them know that our ancestors start from Africa, migrate to Asia, European and stuff? How can you convince people to believe that our ancestors from Africa, because they don't believe, they say, oh, I'm not from Africa, our ancestors are not from Africa, our ancestors from Central America, European, Asia. So how can you convince people to believe?
Okay, I would like to invite those people to visit here in Tanzania. Why? Because, sometimes we call it Old by Gorge, or in Tanzania it's the friend of humankind. Why? Because a lot of the scientists and the researchers, they came here to do the researches, and most of people, they discovered the different kind of fossils hominid. Good example, we have the Homo habilis, Zinjanthropus, Homo erectus, and the Zinj. So the Zinjanthropus is just only in Tanzania. No anywhere you can see Zinjanthropus. Maybe next time, but for now it's just only Zinjanthropus here in Tanzania. So that's why I'm inviting those people who are dealing with the researches about the archaeology and anthropologists to come here in Tanzania, because we have a lot of fossils which are made here from Tanzania.
Yes.
Yes, it's a good place. It's archaeological sites.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why, I highly recommend everyone curious about our ancestor, human evolution, just come to Tanzania, Africa, learn and find out more history about our ancestors, so you know the true where our ancestor came from. Well, thank you all the information.
In additional point, we have Neanderthals species, but Neanderthals was not discovered here in Tanzania, no, or in Africa, no. It's just in Europe.
In Europe? Oh, really?
Yeah, really. Neanderthals. So that's why we have black people and white people.
I thought like somebody told me like before the human evolution began, it's all the same. Then when they migrate, the human evolution start, and then the one migrate to European turn in white. The one that migrate to the equator like for example Asia, they turn in yellow. That's why their skin melanin and change.
Yes.
If that's true?
Yes, it's true.
It's true.
Good. You have enough ideas.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.